Yes, don't you. In here, we in the midst of a ice or hail snowstorm right now, as you can probably hear in the background. But we're inside of the hoop house, and this is spinach that I'm pulling right here. See that? That's spinach. Spinach is resilient, right? Okay. I'm the Detroit urban gardener, and we will be coming with more crops, inshallah, coming soon. But we have to take care, or start harvesting that which we already have. Yeah. And Chinese greens. Some of these are still in decent condition, where I might want to make a little bit, mix it in there, right? And look at all that spinach right there. It's all spinach. I'll take a piece of garlic off the top. Just the taste. Very delicious.